Good morning, student. Today we will learn the multiplication process, that is multiply two numbers in 8085 programming. We all know that in 8085 there are no any instruction, there is no any instruction which perform multiplication. We all know that in 8085 there are basic instructions are HT and 246 of codes. So when we read that, we can't count any instruction which perform multiplication. So how we perform multiplication in 8085 programming? So for that, what the process we have to do, we learn here. Okay. So this is another program that is multiplied two number from the memory location 8050 and 8051 and stored the result at 8050 and 8060 and 61. So from the title it is clear, we have to multiply two 8-bit number, that is uh, two 8-bit number which locations are 8050 and 8051. Okay, and the multiply result multiply result store at 8060 and 8061. Okay, why 60 and 61? Because maybe multiply two 8-bit number, result may be 16-bit number. So if a number is exceeds the 8-bit, then the extra number, that is carry bit, are stored at 8061. Okay, so first of all we have to know how the multiplication process will perform in 8085. That is how the 8085 multiply two numbers without any dedicated multiplication instruction. Like for addition there is a add instruction, for subtraction there is sub instruction. That's so in 8085 there is no any instruction for multiplication. So we know the basic operation. We can multiply number by adding simultaneously. That means repeatedly we add two numbers, then we can multiply. Also, the result will be like a multiply. So for that, we take example. That is in 8050 location, a number is 3 and another location 8051 number is 2. So what we have to do? We have to either add two number three times or three number two times. Okay, that means if we add 3 two times, then we can the result will be 6 either, or we can add 2 three times, that also result will be 6. So by the adding repeatedly you can store the multiply, you can get the multiply value. So here we take example 3 and 2 and the multiply result will be 6. How it is possible? By addition, like this way. Suppose 0 to 1, 0 to 2, 2 times both are added, the result will be 4, 0 4, and 3 times 0 2 is added, the result will be 0 6, which is my dedicated result. Okay. Here, if the result value exceeds 8-bit number, then you can store in the 16-bit number, that is 8061 at this location, the carry bit. Okay, so for this operation we no need to worry about the carry, but if the number is multiply number is more than 8-bit number, at that time we have to consider the carry. So in this program we consider the carry bit also. Okay, so by this process we can multiply. Now how the program will be? This is the basic operation of multiplication by addition. Okay, so in 8085 programming, how we write this program? Okay, so from the previous description, it is clear there is a counter value and there is a addition value. That's mean counter value means how many times number will be added. If 3 is counter value, then number 2 is added 3 times. If 2 is counter value, then the number 3 is added 2 times. Okay, so we consider here 8050 location's value is my counter value. Okay, so we store this counter value at the C register first. Okay, that means in the C register we store 03. Now in the in the 8051 uh, location, we stored the value which to be added repeated. Okay, so 8051 value move to B register and B register contain 02. Okay, so we have to add 2 3 times. So how it is possible? Because we all know in 8085 addition is performed by any accumulator content to other, or that means addition is performed through the accumulator. So we have to load a value in accumulator and we have to add this accumulator with this B register. Okay, so how it possible? We first of all we take the accumulator content 00, okay, and B content is 02, and add A with B. The result will be stored at A. Okay, and the for the carry, that means the content of the 80561 for the 8-bit number is 8-bit number, then we have to consider the carry bit. So that's the carry. We take A register, D register. Initially we make it at 0. Okay, so these are the uh, register here we are used. Here we are going to use. That's for counter value, we take C register. For the addition value, use the B register, and the accumulator for the addition, one arm of the addition will be accumulator. So accumulator plus register, and the carry for carry we are here use D register. Okay. Now come to the program. How the program will be performed. First of all, First of all, what we make accumulator content is 00. Okay, and the move the addition value, repeated addition value, that is 02 to the B register. That is in B register content is 02. Here we add A accumulator content with B register. That's been 00 with 02, and the result will be stored at accumulator. So result, the accumulator register, A register will be 02. Okay, here we consider the carry, because if carry is generated, that time we have to increase this register value every time. How many times the carry will be in the process, how many times carry will be generated, we have to calculate and increment the D register every time, because if number is exit 8 bit, then we have to count the carry bit. Okay, so here we check the after the arithmetic operation of addition A plus B, the content of the accumulator generates any carry. Now there is no carry, because 00 and 02 there is no carry. So content of the D register will be 00. Now move to the C register. C register contains, what is the value of the C register content? Previously 03. We decrement the content of C register value to 02, decrement 1 bit. Okay, that means 03 to 02. And here we check if the number is 0. No, this number is not 0. Then the process will be repeated. Okay, this time the content of the accumulator will be 02, because after the addition the accumulator register is 02. The 02, the register B value is 02. Both are added, that is 04 at the accumulator, content of the accumulator. Here also no carry is generated, so here the re-register value also 00. Then we decrement the 02 to 01, and this value is not 0. Okay, so we repeat again, the content of the accumulator is 04 after the addition, and we add 02. The result is 06 is in the accumulator. We check if there is no carry, so we decrement the C register, and C register value 01 to 00. The result is 0, so the process is terminated, and the result, where the result is stored, that is at the accumulator. We have to store this 8060 location, and the carry bit are stored at D register, and we have to store this at 8061 at this location. Okay, I think the operation will be clear to all. So in this way we can multiply two numbers by repeatedly addition process. Okay, now come to the program. So first of all, what we make the content of the accumulator 00, and the carry flag, for the carry flag the D register is 00. Okay, then we move the content of the address location 8050 location to C register, and 8051 location's value at B register. Okay, then we added two register A plus B, and here we check if it is 0 or not, it is carry generated or not. If carry is not generated, no problem. If this carry is generated, then we have to increment the D register. Otherwise, we decrement the C register 03 to 02, 02 to 01, and here also we check the 0 flag. The 0 flag is set or not. If 0 flag is not set, process will be repeated. If 0 flag is set, then the result at accumulator, you have to store this accumulator value to 8060 location, and the carry, the result of carry, that is mean this number is greater than the 8-bit number, the result value is greater than 8-bit number, then the carry bit is stored at 8061. Okay, so come to the program. First of all, we make accumulator content 00 and D register content 00. Okay, then load 8050 location content to HL pair, because that the successive address location is used, so we easily move the content by HL pair. Previously we also used LXIH. Through the LXIH 8050, the 8050 location, that means 8050 here is data load to the HL pair, and by this instruction MOVC, M, the content of M always indicate to HL pair content is 8060 location, and the 8060 location is my address location. The content of this address location moves to C register. Okay, so the 8050 location content move to C register. Now INX INXH means the increment the register pair, that is 8050 to 8051. Okay, now MOV B, M, the M goes to HL pair, and HL pair content will be 8051 here, because we increment here. So 8051 address location content moves to B register, that is 02 move to B register. Now we added A plus B. We added A plus B, and the result will be stored at accumulator A register. Okay, add B. Here we check if carry is generated. If carry is generated, if carry is not generated, jump on not carry. Carry is not generated, then jump to here. If carry is generated, we have to increment the D register. Okay, for this, so we have to increment the D register. So INR increment the D register. Okay, if carry is not generated, come to here. Here we have to decrement the C register. So DCR C. Okay, and we check jump on not carry. If there is no, sorry, jump on not 0, if the result of C register is not 0, then you have to jump and process again. We have to continue the loop. Where the loop is going? The addition process. Okay, so addition process, that is here. Add B. Here the content of the accumulator, that is previous addition value 02 with 02, and added value will be 04 at store at 04 store at accumulator. Okay, so here also no carry will be generated. So come to here, decrement the C register, and the process will continue until the register value C value is 00. If the C value is 00, that means carry, sorry, 0 flag is set. If 0 flag is set, then the result at accumulator and D register. Okay, so first of all we have to move the accumulator content to 8060 location, accumulator content to 8060 location, accumulator content to 8060 location, and then we have to move the D register value to accumulator, because any transfer operation through accumulator in 8085. So we have to move the D register value to accumulator and the accumulator value to 8061 location. So in this process we can multiply to 8-bit number. Okay, I think clear to all. This program is clear to all. Now, if any problem, then you can ask to my Google Classroom. Okay, now come to the second program. That is, write a program for division of 8-bit number with the memory location of dividend, divisor, uh, quotient and remainder are 8060, 8061, 8062 and 8063. Okay, that's mean we have to divide two 8-bit number and the memory location are given where the divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder are placed. Okay, so according to the question, 806 location is my dividend. Okay, divisor at 8061 location, quotient, that is result, is 8062 location, and remainder will be 8063 location. So we take an example, that is 8 by 3, the result 2 and the remainder is 2. Okay, so that is the question. But here also the same problem is that here we have no any specific instruction to perform division. That means like addition or subtraction, there is no any division instruction. So we have to perform the division by repeated subtraction process. We all know that the basic how to perform the division using subtraction process. So what is the basic operation? There are 8, that is my dividend, and divisor is 3. 8 minus 3, that is 5. You have to check the 5 is positive value. Then we take a register and increment the register 002 01. If that is there is positive, that means 8 minus 3 is my positive value, that is C register increment. again 5 minus 3, that is 2, is positive value. Increment the C register 1 to 2. Okay. Next 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. The value is negative. So we no need to increment the C register again. So instead of increment the C register, we are perform the minus 1, the result minus 1 plus 3. That is, every time we subtract, if the value is negative, then we here addition perform. Addition the result and the value of divisor. So the divisor value minus 1 plus 3 equal to plus 2. So here this is my result quotient and this is my divisor. Okay. So this is your second homework. That is homework for lab. You have to write this program. Okay. This is the basic operation. You all know that. But in 8085, how will write this program? How will write this program? This is your homework. Okay. Here, take give you another hint. By this hints you cite, maybe it is quite easy to you to do this homework. So here the it is clear how you will subtract, how you will add, how will increment the C register. But here, how will you check the value of the subtraction is positive or negative? How you will check the value is positive or negative after this subtraction? This is the vital, this is the main task you have to perform here. So I'll give you hints that you will perform the subtraction process, subtraction program, right? Uh, 8 with subtraction, 16 with subtraction. You will perform these two. So there we check that number is greater than or less than. Number is subtract from bigger value to smaller value or smaller value to bigger value. For that's why we perform some operation. We check some flags. By this flag, we understand the number that is come is positive or negative. So in this program, we also use we are here we are using same logic for checking the positive value or negative value. I think you are on understand. That is, for in the subtraction, we perform like this. Sorry, like this. 3 minus 2. So there is no negative value is performed. Okay, that is mean result will be positive. If the number is 2 minus 3, the result will be negative. So there we check some flags to understand the positive and negative value. If the result is negative, that time we have to make the two's complement method. So that time we check some flags. By these flags, we understand that number is positive or negative. Okay, so here we are use same logic to understand the positive and negative value. And if we understand the number is positive, then increment the C register. If the number is negative, then no need to increment. Instead of increment, we have to addition process will be performed. Okay, and the result at C register and the quotient at the accumulator. Sorry, quotient at the result at the C register and the remainder will be at accumulator. Okay, I think you will do this homework. So it's okay. Thank you.